Close your eyes and imagine eating something that your body can't actually digest. This might sound like a waste of time, but tonight we'll discover why this indigestible substance is one of the most important components of a healthy diet. We're talking about dietary fiber, the remarkable plant-based nutrient that passes through your digestive system largely unchanged, yet transforms your health in countless ways. From keeping your digestive system running smoothly to protecting your heart and even helping regulate your blood sugar. Fiber is like having a gentle internal housekeeper that sweeps through your digestive tract, cleaning as it goes, feeding beneficial bacteria, and maintaining the delicate balance that keeps you feeling your best. Tonight, we'll explore the fascinating world of dietary fiber, discover why our ancestors consumed far more than we do today, and learn how this simple plant component can dramatically improve your health and well-being. So settle in and prepare to discover why fiber deserves to be called your digestive system's very best friend. Dietary fiber is essentially the structural parts of plants that human enzymes cannot break down. It's found in the cell walls of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Think of it as nature's scaffolding that gives plants their shape and structure. What makes fiber so special is precisely what our digestive system cannot do to it. While other nutrients, like proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, are broken down and absorbed into our bloodstream, fiber travels through our digestive tract, mostly intact. But this journey is far from passive. As fiber moves through your system, it performs numerous beneficial functions. It adds bulk to your stool, helps regulate bowel movements, slows down sugar absorption, and provides food for the trillions of beneficial bacteria that call your intestines home. Historically, humans consumed much more fiber than we do today. Our hunter-gatherer ancestors ate between 50 to 100 grams of fiber daily from wild plants, fruits, and vegetables. Today, the average person consumes only about 15 grams per day, far below the recommended 25 to 35 grams. This dramatic reduction in fiber intake coincides with the rise in digestive disorders, heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic conditions. Scientists increasingly recognize that adequate fiber intake is crucial for maintaining optimal health and preventing many modern diseases. There are two main types of dietary fiber, and each performs different but complementary functions in your body. The first type, soluble fiber, dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance that provides numerous health benefits. Imagine soluble fiber as a gentle traffic controller in your digestive system. When you eat foods containing soluble fiber, like oatmeal, apples, or beans, the fiber absorbs water and swells, creating a thick, gel-like mass that slows down digestion. This slowing effect is incredibly beneficial. When fiber forms this gel in your stomach and small intestine, it prevents rapid spikes in blood sugar by slowing the absorption of glucose into your bloodstream. This is why eating an apple causes a much gentler rise in blood sugar than drinking apple juice. Soluble fiber also acts like a molecular sponge for cholesterol. In your small intestine, soluble fiber binds to cholesterol and bile acids, preventing their reabsorption and helping your body eliminate them. This process can significantly lower your total cholesterol and reduce your risk of heart disease. Some of the best sources of soluble fiber include oats, barley, apples, citrus fruits, carrots, beans, lentils, and peas. These foods contain a substance called pectin or beta-glucan, which forms that beneficial gel when mixed with water. Interestingly, soluble fiber also helps you feel fuller longer. The gel-like substance it forms in your stomach takes up space and slows gastric emptying, sending signals to your brain that you're satisfied. This natural appetite control can help with weight management without feeling deprived. Perhaps most remarkably, soluble fiber serves as food for beneficial bacteria in your colon. These friendly microorganisms ferment soluble fiber, producing short-chain fatty acids that nourish colon cells, reduce inflammation, and support immune function. The second type of dietary fiber, insoluble fiber, doesn't dissolve in water, but instead absorbs water like a sponge, adding bulk and weight to your stool. Think of insoluble fiber as nature's gentle broom sweeping through your digestive tract. Insoluble fiber is found in the outer layers of whole grains, the skins of fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, and the structural parts of plants. When you eat whole wheat bread, brown rice, or an apple with its skin, you're getting valuable insoluble fiber. This type of fiber provides what digestive specialists call mechanical cleansing. As it moves through your large intestine, insoluble fiber helps scrub the intestinal walls, removing waste and potential toxins that might otherwise linger in your system. The bulk that insoluble fiber adds to stool is crucial for healthy bowel movements. It helps move waste through your colon more efficiently, preventing constipation and reducing the time that waste spends in contact with intestinal walls. This faster transit time is more than just convenience. When waste moves efficiently through your colon, it reduces the formation of harmful compounds that can develop when waste lingers too long. This may help reduce the risk of colorectal cancer and other digestive disorders. Insoluble fiber also provides exercise for your digestive muscles. The bulk it creates gives your intestinal muscles something to push against, keeping them strong and well-conditioned. It's like a gentle workout for your digestive system. Good sources of insoluble fiber include whole grain cereals, wheat bran, nuts, beans, cauliflower, green beans, and potatoes with their skins. These foods help ensure that your digestive system stays active and healthy. One of the most exciting discoveries in recent years concerns fiber's relationship with the trillions of bacteria living in your intestines. This internal ecosystem, called your microbiome, plays a crucial role in your overall health. Your colon is home to approximately 100 trillion bacteria, representing thousands of different species. These aren't harmful invaders, but rather beneficial partners that help digest food, produce vitamins, support immunity, and even influence mood and mental health. Here's where fiber becomes absolutely essential. While your human enzymes can't break down most fiber, the bacteria in your colon specialize in fermenting these plant compounds. Different bacterial species prefer different types of fiber, creating a diverse internal ecosystem. When beneficial bacteria ferment fiber, they produce short-chain fatty acids, particularly butyrate, acetate, and propionate. These compounds serve as fuel for colon cells, reduce inflammation, strengthen the intestinal barrier, and support overall digestive health. Butyrate is especially important. It's the preferred fuel for cells lining your colon and helps maintain the integrity of your intestinal wall. A healthy intestinal barrier prevents harmful substances from leaking into your bloodstream while allowing beneficial nutrients to pass through. The diversity of fiber in your diet directly impacts the diversity of your microbiome. Eating many different types of fiber-rich foods feeds many different bacterial species, creating a robust, resilient internal ecosystem that can better resist harmful bacteria and support your health. Research suggests that a healthy microbiome supported by adequate fiber may help prevent inflammatory bowel diseases, reduce the risk of colon cancer, support immune function, and even influence mental health through the gut-brain connection. While fiber's digestive benefits are well known, research continues to reveal how adequate fiber intake supports health throughout your entire body. The effects extend far beyond just keeping things moving smoothly. Heart health receives tremendous benefits from fiber consumption. Studies show that people who eat the most fiber have significantly lower rates of heart disease. Soluble fiber helps lower cholesterol levels, while the anti-inflammatory effects of fiber fermentation may help protect arteries from damage. Blood sugar control also improves dramatically with adequate fiber intake. The gel-forming properties of soluble fiber slow glucose absorption, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar. This helps maintain steady energy levels and may reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Weight management becomes easier with high-fiber foods. Fiber increases satiety, helping you feel full on fewer calories. High-fiber foods also tend to be less calorie-dense and require more chewing, which naturally slows down eating and helps prevent overeating. Immune function receives support through fiber's effects on the microbiome. A healthy, diverse bacterial population helps train your immune system, supports the production of protective compounds and maintains the intestinal barrier that prevents harmful substances from entering your bloodstream. Recent research even suggests connections between fiber intake and mental health. The gut-brain axis allows communication between your digestive system and your brain. A healthy, fiber-fed microbiome produces neurotransmitters and other compounds that may influence mood, stress response, and cognitive function. Cancer prevention, particularly for colorectal cancer, shows strong associations with fiber intake. The protective effects likely come from multiple mechanisms: faster waste, transit beneficial, bacterial fermentation, and the production of protective compounds that support healthy colon cells. Now that we understand fiber's importance, let's explore practical ways to ensure you're getting adequate amounts in your daily diet. The key is gradual increase and variety. Start slowly when increasing fiber intake. Your digestive system needs time to adjust to higher fiber levels. Sudden, dramatic increases can cause temporary bloating, gas, or discomfort. Instead, add just 5 grams per day each week until you reach your target intake. Choose whole foods over processed ones whenever possible. An apple, with its skin, provides about 4 grams of fiber, while apple juice provides none. Brown rice offers more fiber than white rice, and whole grain bread contains more fiber than refined white bread. Include fiber at every meal. Start your day with oatmeal topped with berries. Choose salads with mixed vegetables for lunch. Include beans or lentils in dinner dishes. Snack on nuts, seeds, or fresh fruit with the skin on. Drink plenty of water as you increase fiber intake. Fiber needs water to function properly. Without adequate fluid, increased fiber can actually cause constipation, rather than prevent it. Aim for 8 glasses of water daily, especially when eating more fiber-rich foods. Read food labels carefully. Look for products that contain at least 3 grams of fiber per serving. Terms like whole grain, whole wheat, and high fiber can help identify beneficial choices. Experiment with different fiber sources. Try quinoa, steel-cut oats, chia seeds, flax seeds, artichokes, Brussels sprouts, and various beans and lentils. Different foods provide different types of fiber, supporting microbiome diversity. As we reach the end of our fiber journey, it's worth reflecting on how this simple plant component represents one of nature's most elegant solutions for maintaining human health. Fiber reminds us that sometimes the most important nutrients aren't the ones our bodies absorb, but rather the ones that pass through doing good along the way. Like a gentle current that carries away waste while nourishing beneficial life forms, fiber supports the complex ecosystem within us. Tonight, as you prepare for sleep, your digestive system continues its quiet work. If you've eaten fiber-rich foods today, beneficial bacteria are busy fermenting plant compounds, producing health-supporting substances, and maintaining the delicate balance that keeps you feeling well. Consider making fiber a priority in your daily nutrition. Choose the apple over the juice. Select brown rice instead of white. Add beans to your soup and leave the skin on your potatoes. These simple choices accumulate over time, creating profound benefits for your digestive health and overall well-being. Remember that every high-fiber meal is an investment in your future health. You're feeding not just yourself, but the beneficial community of microorganisms that call your digestive system home. You're supporting processes that protect your heart, regulate your blood sugar, and may even influence your mood and mental clarity. Sweet dreams. knowing that nature has provided everything your digestive system needs to function optimally. Tomorrow, you can continue nourishing this remarkable internal ecosystem, one fiber-rich bite at a time.